Parents, these are the champions your child is joining. With the Divinity app, their whole journey, their growth, their grades, their game days, lives right in your pocket. Here is how it works. It all starts with your private code. The Academy gives it to you, or you find it on the welcome page by your child's name. Tap Join, type it in, and you are connected to your child in seconds. And you are in. Here is your family at a glance, every child you have at the Academy, their progress, and every message from the coaches, all in one place. Open your child and you see everything, how they are growing, their report card, their accolades, and their climb up the ladder toward elite. Every practice, game and trip is here, with the address and even the weather, so you are never caught out. At training, one tap checks your child in, and you always see clearly whether your fees are up to date. No surprises. Your child's growth, our messages, and your payments, together in your pocket. Welcome to the Divinity family. Let's realize their dreams.